In this short, I will show you how the digital asset XRP is utilized with the on-demand liquidity solution with the company Tranglo. In this schematic, you'll see how the on-demand liquidity works. First, starting with the licensee requesting the bulk pre-funding via the XRP wallet. Step 2, the ODL user draws down the requested amount of XRP from that wallet. In Step 3, XRP is sent to Tranglo's exchange account and liquidated to fiat. In Step 4, the user's wallet is then credited with the request amount for the payout. And the fifth step, Ripple invoices the licensee user for payment.